Forget Machu Picchu for a second. Peru isn't just llamas, ruins, and quinoa bowls. It's also got beaches that'll make you wonder why Brazil hogs all the fame. Ever heard of a desert that smashes into the Pacific like it's in a telenovela fight scene? Or a secret surf town where ceviche tastes fresher than your dating app matches? Stick around, because in the next few minutes we're diving into Peru's 15 best beaches. From surfer magnets to wildlife sanctuaries, plus one beach where penguins might crash your sunbathing session. Yes, penguins. Number 15. Puerto Inca, Arequipa Coast. Where ancient Inca traders once connected mountain cities to the sea, today you can park your towel. Imagine crumbling ruins framing a crescent bay, Peru's version of beach with history. Swim, snorkel, or just flex your Instagram caption. Sunbathing with the Incas. And if you think ruins and beaches don't mix, wait until we hit the desert oasis later. Number 14. Zorritos, Tumbes. Up in the warm north, Zorritos feels more Caribbean than Andean. Golden sands, palm trees, and natural hot springs bubbling up behind the beach. It's the kind of place where locals hand you seafood that tastes like it jumped straight off the pier. Number 13. San Bartolo, south of Lima. San Bartolo is Lima's weekend party beach. Think sun, surf, and ceviche-fueled chaos. Perfect if you want waves by day and discos by night. Warning: Sunday morning hangovers come free with a hotel booking. Number 12. Caleta San Jose, Arequipa region. You can't just drive here, you need a boat. Which means when you finally arrive, you've got turquoise water, soft sand, and silence. Except for the occasional sea lion barking like it's auditioning for a bad talent show. Number 11. Punta Sal, Tumbes. This is Peru's luxury postcard beach. Calm, warm waters, upscale resorts, and sunsets so cinematic, you'll wonder if Netflix is secretly filming you. It's where Peruvian families vacation when they want Maldives vibes without the flight. Speaking of wildlife, the next beach brings in animals you wouldn't expect on a tropical vacation poster. 10. Paracas, Ica. Paracas isn't just a beach, it's a natural freak show. Red sand beaches carved by cliffs, pelicans flying overhead, and nearby islands where penguins and sea lions put on a show. Yep, penguins in Peru. Bonus: the pisco sours here taste extra sharp, probably because the bartender knows you're watching wildlife in flip-flops. Number 9. Huanchaco, Trujillo. Surf alert. Huanchaco is where cabalitos de totora, reed fishing boats used for 3,000 years, still glide across the waves. It's cultural history plus surf culture mashed into one. Pro tip: eat ceviche here. Locals say it was invented in this town. If ceviche isn't convincing, just wait until we hit a beach where locals literally cook on the sand. Number 8. Playa Las Pochitas, Máncora. Nicknamed Little Wells, this beach forms natural tidal pools at low tide, basically Peru's version of a free spa. It's quieter than its rowdy neighbor Máncora, which makes it perfect for couples escaping the surf party chaos. Number 7. Cerro Azul, Cañete. Think mellow surf town meets laid-back fishing village. It's got a long pier perfect for sunset walks and waves, gentle enough that even beginners won't faceplant too hard. Locals claim Cerro Azul has the best fried fish in the entire coast. Challenge accepted. Number 6. Cabo Blanco, Piura. Legend says Ernest Hemingway once came here to fish marlin. Today, Cabo Blanco is a legendary surf break, fast, hollow, and brutal. Even if you don't surf, the beach's old-school fisherman vibe feels like stepping into a black-and-white photo that somehow serves pisco. Number 5. Playa Roja, Paracas. Yes, the sand really is red. Iron oxide in the cliffs creates a Martian landscape that smashes into blue Pacific waves. It's less swim with dolphins and more pose like you're on another planet. But don't pack your towel yet. The top 4 beaches are where Peru's coast really flexes. Number 4. Los Órganos, Piura. Calmer than Máncora, but just as beautiful. Picture green sea turtles gliding around your ankles while you snorkel. In the right season, humpback whales breach so close to shore you'll spill your beer. Number 3. Lobitos, Talara. An abandoned oil town turned surf paradise. Old British-built houses crumble near the beach, while surfers ride left-hand waves that seem to go on forever. It's gritty, raw, and addictive. The kind of place where you say just one more day until you forget your return flight. Number 2. Asia Beach, south of Lima. Asia is Peru's C and B scene beach. Think high-end clubs, rooftop bars, and Peru's elite showing off their tans. By day, calm waters. By night, champagne showers and DJs who don't believe in bedtime. If Punta Sal is relaxation, Asia is a glitter cannon. Number 1. Máncora, Piura, the heavyweight champion. Peru's most famous beach combines warm, swimmable waters with all-night parties. Surf that pleases both beginners and pros, and more backpacker hostels than you can count. It's where ceviche meets techno, hammocks meet hangovers, and somehow, you still don't want to leave. And here's the kicker. Máncora gets 300 days of sun a year. That's more consistent than your Wi-Fi. So that's the top 15 beaches of Peru, where deserts crash into oceans, surfers share waves with ancient fishing boats, and penguins somehow made it to the tropics. But don't close your browser yet, because if Peru surprised you, wait until you see the ultimate Costa Rica surf guide. If Peru is rugged beauty, Costa Rica is full-blown surf chaos. Endless waves, jungle breaks, and beaches that make your camera roll explode. Link below, watch it now, because this journey doesn't stop here.